am headed out of the Olympic National Forest. Gonna head north to Port Angeles, and might take a break somewhere along the way, but I think the ride out should be pretty beautiful because the ride in was pretty beautiful, so I'll try to capture the segments that are nice. All right, I think we are ready to rock and roll. Get the hell out of here, Jim. Well, that was the Olympic National Forest. Silver vest latched onto the back here, and as I left a little bit back the park, but there's the silver vest. It's just like buy a new soaker vest. Good morning, how we doing today? Good. Take care. feel like a blinker would have made more sense, you know? But I'm just grateful that the police kept me safe at a safe speed limit the whole way up to this point. Like, very gracious for that. But now it's time to fucking move. I'm gonna pass with care. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pass with care. Thank you. Thank you. Gotta love bikes. How you doing, man? Nice to meet you. Where you headed? Oh, you live there? Yeah. Okay, very good. Do we have to do a little lane splitting by that, I guess so, huh? It has to be tonight.
Oh, it does.
It has to be tonight, yeah. All right, my friends. So I've been in Seattle now for the last couple days. This is Mike. You remember him from Yellowstone.
What's up?
He is riding on the iron. Can you see the iron? Yeah, you can see the iron. And right across the street is a pub.
Yep.
Which you want to explain a little bit about that pub, like what's going on tonight? Because that's what we're gonna. That's what we're doing.
Tonight's their 5-year anniversary. They got some music coming in, and it's great to see some people that I know that started their own business, been running it from scratch, make it through some crazy times here, and we'll be definitely hanging out for some good music and beer.
And they have the best Pils. Like, I don't like Pilsners. They have one of my top 5 beers over there, and it's a Pilsner. And it's what is the Pilsner? What is it called?
It's the Czech Pils, and it's their Czech Imperial Pils. They brew it once a year, and every year it's got a different flavor profile, and every year it's amazing.
Yeah. So, Mike, I've now lived with, been like your roommate, staying here in the RV for the last couple of days. Am I a bad guest or an okay guest, or did I do okay?
You did okay.
Okay, I only clogged the toilet like 4 times, right?
Yeah, I mean, we won't talk about that. We don't need to.
Yeah, we won't talk about that. And then, like, I don't know if any of the rest of this will end up on the video, but like any thoughts from Yellowstone until today? Like, if there was anything you wanted to say to YouTube, to the 100 or so people that might be watching.
Don't forget the people that made a difference in your life before, even if you drifted apart.
Are you saying that to me or to them or to like everybody?
To
just general advice?
To everyone. Don't forget the people that you connected with in the past.
Right.
Even if you drifted apart, even if things just you've had a life in between.
Right.
It means a lot to connect with them again, and they're great to have back in your life when you can get them.
Well, I gotta say, Mike, like, it's been years since you and I have really talked.
Yep.
Right? Like, and definitely years since you and I have actually occupied the same physical space.
Mm-hmm.
And I would say the last several nights of just talking and, like, talking about big things, little things, all the things.
Well,
like, it's been really helpful, I think, for both of us.
Yeah.
In a lot of ways.
You never know what somebody else is going through, and especially the people that you've connected with in the past. They got a lot for you, and you got a lot for them. Even if things are great, even if things aren't.
I think my biggest takeaway, Mike, from hanging out with you these last couple days, if you don't mind me boiling it down to like one word, but I think the idea of community has come up multiple times in our conversation, and like, community is so essential. The sense of self is essential, but that sense of self within said community.
Yep.
And the community itself is quite essential. So thanks for having me, man, these last couple days, and I can't wait to go drink some more of that Imperial Pilsner. All right, guys. So yeah, Seattle's been my little hub. I did the North Cascade loop yesterday. I'm gonna put that video up soon. But
amazing.
Yeah, I'm excited to put that one out. Lots of good drone footage and just footage in general. Hours and hours of footage. Too much footage, if you ask me. But I'm excited to like dive into it and see what I can create. So, thanks.
Yeah, thanks
awesome.
for coming.
This was Seattle, and on to the next.